Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you're enjoying the days at home with studying online. So here is the last part of your poem, What If? I hope you are sitting ready with the books open, right? So now, in the previous class, we started with the poem, What If? Right? And we completed half of the poem, that we completed many of the fears that crawled in the mind of the poet. So there are many more fears because fears don't stop. Do fears stop to crawl in the mind? No, fears don't stop. हर पल कुछ ना कुछ तो fear होगा ही होगा, right? If you are walking, what if I fall? So the next fear would be this, right? So fears never stop and it is never actually going to stop, right? So there are so many different fears that can come. What if this happens? Kya hoga agar ye ho jaye? What will happen if this happens? Right? So let's continue with the poet's fears. Okay, let's see what the other things are happening. What if green hair grows on my chest? Okay, the poet is thinking, what if the green hair grows on the chest? Kabhi green baal hota hai? So the poet is having this fear. What if nobody likes me? Now, you may go to one place, okay, a new place. Okay, you might be having the fear, na? That what if nobody talks to me? What if nobody will like me? So what will happen? You'll be all alone, right? You will not be able to make friends. If nobody will like you, you will not have any friends, right? So the poet is having the fear. What if nobody likes me? What if a bolt of lightning strikes me? What is the meaning of bolt? What is the meaning of bolt? Flash. Okay, you can say flash. Okay, so flash of lightning. Now we have this fear in rainy season. Okay, you know, lightning is there, बहुत बिजलियाँ हो रही हैं बाहर, तेज़ बारिश हो रही है, and we are walking outside. Okay, और बिजली गिरते देखते हो तो कभी डर लगता है ना, मुझ पे आके गिरी तो, है ना? So yes, what if the flash of lightning come and strikes me? And there are cases. In reality, in truth, we hear the cases in the rainy season कि यहाँ पर बिजली गिरी और वहाँ पे आग लग गई, right? The fire takes place when the lightning strikes at some place, right? So we have that fear. What if the flash of lightning come and strike me, right? What if I don't grow taller? Fear of height. Fear of height. When you see in your family that everybody is short, what will happen? You will have the fear, na? What if I don't grow taller? क्या होगा अगर मैं छोटा ही रह जाऊँ? हाँ, मेरी हाइट छोटी ही रहेगी तो सब मुझे चिढ़ाएंगे. Okay, the teasing is not good. Huh? That's a very bad habit if you tease someone if they are having a short height. You should not tease. Okay, that is a very bad habit. So that is the fear in the minds. What if I am short? What if I don't grow tall? Right? Next. What if my head starts getting smaller? Your head छोटा होने लग जाए. कभी हुआ ऐसा कि सर छोटा हो जाए? So this is the fear. What if my head start getting smaller? What if the fish won't bite? What if the fish won't? Yes. So क्या होगा अगर मछली काटती नहीं है? Now what is actually the thing behind this over here? That is that to catch a fish, what do? You add some worm and then you put it in the water, right? So then they come to catch it and then we catch the fish, right? They come to catch the worms and we catch the fish, right? So what if the fish won't bite? Next page. What if the wind tears up my kite? Okay, this happens in Uttarayan when you're flying kites. There are so many kites flying in the sky. What will happen? क्या होगा कि मेरी पतंग हवा से फट गई? Okay, because pressure of air would be so much that helps to lift the kite in the air. But if the pressure is so much, okay, and the kite is made of a thin paper, right? So it may tear up, right? Tear up. What if they start a war? Okay, if you see the situation of the country is going worst, okay, we may think ना there will be World War III. What if World War III starts? कहाँ जाएंगे हम, right? So what if seeing the situation, you think, what if the war starts? What if my parents get divorced? Okay, this fear comes when you see parents fighting. This happens in everybody's house. Okay, so small quarrels take place. But what is the fear? What if my parents get separated? Divorce means separated. Mummy alag, papa alag, to hum kahan jayenge, right? So what if my parents get divorced? What if the bus is late? Okay, so अगर तुम्हें, if you want to reach on time, okay, suppose exam is there, okay, in your school, okay, and you have to reach on time, and this happens many a times. You have exam but your van uncle is late, okay, and then you get scolding from the teacher. So that is a fear now. What if the bus is late? If the bus is late, then I won't be able to reach on time for the exam, right? So what if the bus is late? What if my teeth don't grow in straight? This is the fear that every kid is having. आगे के दांत टूट जाते हैं. So we say na that do not touch your upper part of your this thing, tooth, right? Why? Because if you touch it, na teeth will grow large, long. है बोलते हैं ना? Okay. So अगर मेरे दांत सीधे नहीं हुए तो you have to put braces then, right? So what if my teeth don't grow straight? What if I tear my pants? Boys might be having this when they go on the ground for playing, na? Say खेलते रहते हो. Okay, so what if my pants get tear up? Okay, फट जाए पैंट तो क्या होगा? What if I never learn to dance? Okay, the poet, she might be, she might like to dance. She is having a fear. What if I don't learn to dance? Okay, when something is your hobby and you want to do it, you have a fear now. What will happen if I don't learn it? Right? Everything seems swell. Everything seems swell. What is the meaning of sense? सब कैसा लगने लगता है? Large in size. Okay, सब कैसा लग रहा है? बहुत बड़े बड़े fears लग रहे हैं, right? And the night time, what if strikes again? Okay, so everything is very huge. These fears are very big and they come in and crawl again. Strike means comes in mind again, comes in mind again. So what if all these fears again comes in mind, and it happens that every night you get some or the other fear. It's never that you never get the fear, right? जब हम खाली बैठते हैं तो कुछ ना कुछ दिमाग में चलता ही रहता है, right? So these are the fears of the poet. Now we also might be having some fears, right? Okay, what if this happens? What if that happens? Okay, what if school never opens? Okay, these are the fears that can crawl in the mind. What if you have to study online every time, right? So now in the comment section, what you are going to do is you write your fears. How you are going to write? What if this happens? What if that happens? Okay, so write your own fears. Okay, so here we completed with the poem What If, written by Shel Silverstein. I hope you understood, you enjoyed the poem.